Now, in this past paper question, we are given front of a house in the shape of a hexagon with two right angles. We can see that we have right angles here, right? These two angles are right angles, which means that so each angle is 90 degree, right? So, we have to find out the other four angles, and all those angles are same size. What are other those four angles, right? So, we have to find out what will be this angle, one angle, this angle, and all these interior angles we have to find out. Now, because this is a hexagon, so we are interested to find out the sum of interior angle of hexagon. We use the same formula, which is n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree to find out the sum of interior angles of this hexagon. So, n stands for number of sides. So, in this hexagon we have 6 sides, which gives us 6 minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. So, we get the sum of interior angle, which is 720 degree. Now, all these interior angles are equal except these angle which are 90 degree, right. So, it means that if I write this one x, this angle will be x, this angle will be x, and this angle will be x, right. So, we are interested to find out the value of x, right. We have to find out the value of x. So, how should I write this in an equation? So, we know that sum of all these interior angle is equal to 720, which says that 2 times of 90 degree plus 4 times of x, this is equal to 720 degree. So, 4x is equal to 720, this becomes 720 minus 180 degree. So, which gives us the value is, we can find after simple calculation the value of x, which is equal to 180 degree, right. It means that each angle is 180 degree. The value of this angle x is, the value of this angle x is 180 degree. Now, in the second part, now in the next part, here is the next question. So, we are going to solve this question here. The diagram shows a quadrilateral ABC where CDE is a straight line. So, here CDE is a straight line, right, and ABCD is a quadrilateral. So, we are interested to find out the value of x, right. So, how do we find out the value of x here? To find out the value of x, we must know what will be this angle, right, because a quadrilateral has sum of all angles is equal to 360 degree. So, first we have to find out what will be this angle, right. So, if we call it y, so what will be the value of y? So, y angle becomes 360 degree, right, minus 120 degree minus 82 degree minus 73 degree. What will be the value of y, right? So, the value of y is 85. After simple mathematical calculation, we get the value of y is 85. So, this angle is 85, right. So, we can write this angle is 85 degree. So, what will be the value of x? Because angle in a straight line is, their sum must be equal to 180. So, we can write it as, so, x degree plus 85 degree their sum must be equal to 180 degree. What will be the value of x here? The value of x is 95 degree. After subtracting 85 from 185 80, so we get the value of x which is 95, which is our required result.